Ooh, beef stew for dinner tonight. Here's everything we got. Bit of beef, chuck steak, nice and cheap. Flour, carrots, potatoes, onions, garlic, and a bunch of other stuff I'll go through. All going in the camp oven over there. Chuck steak, nice and cheap. Just going to chop it up into chunks. Once you chop it all up, just season, salt and pepper. Olive oil, camp oven. Get that going. And get the onions going. Bit of browning off the meat. Then chop up the onions and add those in with a bit of garlic. Bit of tomato paste. Like a few tablespoons, whatever that much is. Something like that. Then after tomato paste, just add a bit of flour just to help thicken it up. Once it all goes brown, then you add your liquid and then on the coals. And just a bit of stock. Put some stock in and some water, and we'll sort of cover everything by about an inch or so, and then it's going to go onto the coals for about an hour, and then we'll add all the veggies and stuff after the hour, and then one more hour after that, so a couple of hours should be good. So put a bay leaf in there, some basil, now a bit of wine, should be enough. What are you doing, mate? So we put it on now for an hour, and then the next thing we'll do is chuck the veggies in. So just chopping up some sweet potato, normal potato, and some carrots basically. Bloody beautiful. You like that? Looks good. Good job, mate. The final thing that'll go in is just a mix of carrot, sweet potato, and normal potato. But we'll put that in after an hour and then do one more hour after that. Looks amazing. Oh, look at that. I wasn't even recording. It is recording. What's going on here?